If you're not using a private dropshipping supplier in 2026, you're literally setting yourself up for absolute failure. You're probably in one of two places right now. Either you're just getting started with your store and you haven't picked a supplier yet and you want to make sure that you're doing the right thing from day one, or you've already been down the whole AliExpress road. You've dealt with lost packages, the 30-day shipping times, the bad customer service, and now you're getting a ton of emails from customers asking for a refund and you're just done with it. Either way, this video is for you. Today's March 15, 2026. If you're still dropshipping with AliExpress, I need you to stop right now, because you can have the best product, the best landing page, the best ads, but if you're shipping out orders and your customers aren't getting them on time, or they're not getting exactly what they paid for, you do not have a business. And that's exactly why choosing the right supplier from day one is one of the most important decisions that you'll ever make as a dropshipper. So today I'm going to break down exactly why what you're doing right now is not going to help you succeed. And I'm also going to give you a solution so that way you can plug and play it right into your store and it's 100% free. So if you're excited, drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff is greatly appreciated. And let's hop right in. So let's hop right into it. So why is AliExpress killing your business? So first off, slow and unreliable shipping times. Customers are not going to wait 30, 40 days plus for a package, okay? Especially we're in the Amazon era right now. We need to have more reliable shipping times. Now, I'm pretty sure you're saying right now, well, I saw one, it said 12-day shipping times, Jayden. It said, 7-day shipping times. Yeah, but it leads me into the next point. Zero communication whatsoever, okay? No one's gonna contact you when orders go wrong. You ever try to reach out to somebody on AliExpress, it takes them forever to answer? You do not want that with your supplier. You want good communication. Now, these next 2 points actually go hand in hand with each other. No branding and no control over product quality or consistency. Don't expect an AliExpress seller to go and reach out and send you pictures of the product when you have done no order volume with them whatsoever. So you're not gonna know exactly how the package is gonna arrive other than what you see in the review pictures. If you have a good supplier, they'll have no problem showing you exactly what your customers are gonna receive before you actually place any orders with them. So once again, no communication. They don't care about your customer experience. They don't care about your store. They know that you paid them for a product, they shipped it out. If it gets lost in transit or it's taking forever, that's your problem. Now, this is gonna blow your mind, and you probably didn't know this, but AliExpress drop ships too, okay? They're getting their supply from other larger manufacturers and then selling it to you at a premium. That's why when you go on AliExpress, it says one price, but then when you go to Alibaba, for example, you'll see that that product is probably half of what it costs on AliExpress. So you're basically kind of drop shipping from another drop shipper, if that makes sense. And that's not really what you want. You want to be with reputable suppliers that have real connections. So why do you need a private drop shipping supplier? Well, first off, you're going to get fast shipping times across all markets. So you're going to be able to ship, comfortably to the big 5 countries and be able to get your packages in a timely manner. So as fast as 5 days and probably max maybe 12, but usually I'm getting around 5 to 8 day shipping times with this supplier. You're going to have dedicated support. So you're going to be able to track orders, solve issues. If a customer places an order and they have the wrong shipping address on it, you should be able to reach out to somebody and have them adjusted. You can also get custom branding and logos on your packaging to give you more of a branded experience. Now, this is probably one of the most important ones. You're going to be able to negotiate the cost of goods as your volume grows. And this is key, because if I'm selling more, if I'm making you more money, I should be able to get a decrease in my cost of goods. And this is going to help you be able to make more money because you're going to have more margin. So here's the shipping times that I'm actually getting with my private supplier. United States, about 5 to 10 days. Canada, 6 to 10 days. UK and Europe, 5 to 8 days. And then Australia, 5 to 7 days. Now, these are completely respectable shipping times, especially for drop shipping, okay? Obviously, once you start to put your product into a 3PL, you'll be able to get your shipping times much lower. But for drop shipping, this is fantastic, and this is definitely something that a customer would wait for. If I was buying something from Nike, for example, I probably would expect to wait somewhere in the range of 5 to 10 days. So this works. Once you have a private supplier, your whole drop shipping business is going to be completely automated, guys. So once it's set up, it runs itself. So the tracking numbers are going to be automatically updated, and your orders are going to be automatically fulfilled without you having to lift a finger. So how it works basically is when an order comes in on your store, it's going to be fulfilled automatically, okay? And then once it's shipped from their warehouse, then they're going to update the tracking number for you. So they're going to go into Shopify and put it in there inside of the customer details. Once it's imported into the customer details, then it's going to trigger Shopify to send out a push notification to your customer via email that says, hey, your order's on the way, here's your tracking information. You don't have to do any of this yourself, which is absolutely amazing. So it's a completely hands-off fulfillment process. All right, so now let's talk about the hidden costs that all these other suppliers don't tell you about, because I'm pretty sure you've seen all these other options and you're probably thinking, well, I'll just use this, or I'll use this, or I'll use that. And I'm gonna tell you why you should use these three right here. So first off, with CJ Dropshipping, it is free, but free doesn't always mean good, because their customer service is trash. And I've had experiences where, like, you know, I've shipped out with CJ and they give you the rundown. They tell you, the package is on the way. It's being shipped out right now. And then you just never get a straightforward answer with them. And then their English isn't that great either. So it's like, for me, the customer service means more than anything when it comes to these suppliers, because you need to be able to be in constant communication with your suppliers. So with CJ, I would X out. So let's go ahead and talk about ZenDrop and AutoDS, because both of these are suppliers that beginners tend to flock to. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why you shouldn't be using these. So first off, you're a beginner. You probably don't have that much of a budget to be able to get started in the first place. So why are you spending $50 a month and then $30 to $40 a month? That's starting to be able to use their services. You're already making the money by fulfilling orders with them, okay? This budget right here that you're gonna put aside to be able to spend to use a supplier can be better invested somewhere else. And then I also tend to find that these two options are actually more expensive and your cost of goods are gonna be a lot more. So let's go ahead and talk about the solution. So the solution is 100% free to use. There's no monthly subscription. There's no catch whatsoever. There's no minimum orders to be able to start working with them. You can put it on your store and get to selling right now. Not only that, it's going to give you the best cost of goods out of any supplier that I've personally seen. Anytime I compare products to other suppliers, it always beats it, because they source at factory price, meaning they have good connections with other suppliers out there. I think they source from 1688, Taobao, I think that's how you say it. So they get the best pricing, hands down. They have fast global shipping. So I already showed you the shipping times, okay? They're extremely fast. You're also going to get full branding and customization. So if you want to customize the packaging, the actual package like poly mailer it comes in, or whatever you want, the sky's the limit, okay? And then you're going to get real customer support when you need it. From day one, just make sure you put your WhatsApp number. I'll show you guys here in a second. But once you go ahead and sign up, you're going to get hit up if you put your WhatsApp, and you're going to have somebody from day one that's your dedicated rep, and you can ask them literally anything, okay? And we'll go over it here in a second. And then again, no proven store required to get started. This is going to be the last supplier that you're ever going to need. Now, the private dropshipping supplier that I'm going to be showing you guys here today that I personally use, and I want to make it very clear that I use this as well, is called TeamDrop, okay? This is the best dropshipping supplier out there. They have access to thousands of different products, and if they don't have a product, for example, you can get them to source it. There isn't anything they can't source. So as you can see, they have over 1 million users. They do over $100 million in sales annually. They have a 12,000 square foot warehouse space, and they work with over 100 plus shipping lines. Now make sure you go down to the description and click that link when you sign up, because that's going to give you special perks that you're not going to get from just going to the website, okay? You should be able to get some discounts, I believe, to be able to, fulfill your first couple of orders. So click that link, sign up. So once you log in, you're going to be able to see this screen right here. So make sure you go over to TeamDrop products, and if you scroll through, these are all the products that TeamDrop has access to, okay? As you can see on the bottom, 102,897 items. You can literally sit here and scroll all day. But if you want, you can come up to the top, hover over categories. If you're looking for a specific niche, you can click on your niche and then scroll through products that way. But if you already know the name of your product, you can just type it in here and find it, or you can use the search by image, which is what I was talking about earlier. So I'm going to put this picture in here, which is just a red light therapy brush. I'm going to show you how easy it is to be able to find products. Just take a screenshot of it, put it in here, click search. You don't even need to put any keywords, and boom, here's a bunch of listings. But let's go ahead and just click on the first product right here. It's going to take you over to the product details. It's going to show you all the images that come with it once you list it to your store. You're going to be able to see the overview, the packing list, what is actually going to come in each package, and so many more details. So right now, this product is $9.54 to be able to source. That's also dependent on the color and the specification. So if we just click on the red, okay, and we click on specifications, and then now we'll be able to see the full total price here on the bottom. So the total price shipped to the customer is $20 for this product. And we can see that the shipping fee is $10.46, and estimated shipping time is 7 to 15 days. Now, how are we going to be able to get faster shipping times? We're just going to click on buy shipping method, and these are all types of different shipping methods that we can go ahead and use. So 8 to 15 days, 8 to 15 days, 5 to 8 days. So this really all depends. I mean, this product you probably can charge a premium for, so you can probably easily charge, 60 to 80 bucks. So if you feel that it's worth it to up your shipping fee up, $5 or $6, you can get this shipped to the customer within 5 to 8 days. Now, this all just depends on the product. There's different shipping methods for specific products. And then if you wanted to just list this to your store, all you have to do is just click on list to store, put in the pricing, and you're good to go. And you'll have the product on your store ready to sell. Now, I probably should have said this, but if you want to tie your store, you just need to come over to authorize store and then click on add store. And it's literally going to take you right to Shopify. So if you click on authorize, it'll take you to Shopify where you tie the app to your store and then it'll automatically tie. So if you ever were scrolling and you couldn't find your product, it's really easy to put in a sourcing request. It doesn't cost any money to be able to put in sourcing requests like other suppliers. You just click on sourcing result here on the left side. You're going to click on new sourcing and then you're going to fill out this information. So for the product name, it's easiest to be able to just find your product on AliExpress. So just find it, copy the title here, and then bring it back over and put it in product name. Then for the product link, you're going to take the actual URL, copy that, put that in a product link. Then product image, obviously you can take a screenshot, put that image here. And then if you have any other remarks or anything you want to tell them, like you can put that here as well. Now, sourcing requests usually take upwards of like 48 hours. It's typically much faster, but you'll get notified via email. You'll basically get a link that has its own private listing, and then you'll be able to customize it, put it on your store, and then that'll be your specific listing that's just custom to you. They also do print on demand. So for shirts and hats and jewelry, there's tons of products and you can easily customize them and put them on your store as well. They also offer custom packaging, so you can look through all of these. They have every type of different box, poly mailer, you name it. They'll also give you the pricing, be able to throw your logo on it, whatever you want. So I actually want to give you some proof of how fast their shipping times are. So this right here is an order that I did for a product that I tested a few months ago. And as you can see, they ordered 2 different women's bras, and I generated the order on the 15th of the month, and it was delivered to the customer on the 24th. So that's exactly 9 days, which is insanely fast. And lastly, what I want to talk about is your logistics settings. So this is exactly where you're going to be able to find out who your rep is, who your agent is, okay? So mine's here on the right, so you can see that on the top right. I'll probably have to blur this out, but you're going to get assigned a person from day one. So make sure when you sign up, you put your WhatsApp number. If you don't have WhatsApp, just get one, okay? Put it in there when you sign up, and they'll probably reach out to you before you reach out to them. But if not, reach out to your WhatsApp manager. They're there to help you. You can literally ask them anything that you want. So if you have problems sourcing a product, you can reach out. If you have a customer that put the wrong shipping address when they ordered, you can reach out to them and make sure that they change it before they fulfill the order. Like literally whatever you want. And it's kind of nice to be able to know that you have somebody in your back pocket that you can bounce questions off of at any time. So yeah, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. Hopefully I helped you fix your fulfillment issues, because if you have fulfillment issues, you are going to have a headache of a dropshipping business. You're going to have tons of chargebacks, customers angry, and you don't want to deal with that. So go ahead and sign up with Team Drop. I'll be sure to leave it at the top of the description. Click that link, sign up. Again, it's 100% free. There's literally no catch. And save yourself the headache from working with suppliers that are going to charge you a monthly plan to give you slow shipping times, no customer service. The cost of goods are a lot higher, and just don't deal with it. But yeah, drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff is greatly appreciated. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see from me in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.